Hi, I'm Dr. John Fluke, and lately my colleagues have been asking me about handpiece maintenance technology. Now, there are a lot of maintenance systems out on the market, and today I want to talk to you about Cavo's QUATTROcare Plus. And the great thing about this is it internally cleans, it internally lubricates, and it even purges your handpieces all with the press of a single button. And in addition to those functions, it also does chuck maintenance. So basically, it does everything that needs to be done to your handpiece before it goes into the autoclave, and that ensures that when it comes out of the autoclave, it is completely ready to go. To sum up the advantages of the QUATTROcare Plus in one word, automatic. I mean, it's just that simple. The entire time that it takes to run and process your instruments is 1 minute. It is very, very clean and gentle on your handpieces. It provides for clean working conditions. You get clean hands. You're not getting oil all over your countertops or all over your gloves or all over the assistant's uniform. You operate in a clean environment. The system also delivers a really high operational safety of your instruments because they're getting cleaned and lubricated to the exact specifications that they're supposed to. It's in what I call the butter zone or the Goldilocks zone, where you're not getting too little, you're not getting too much, you're getting what's just right. And because of that, you get longer life and better running properties of your instruments because they're being maintained to the exact specifications that the manufacturer wants. The other thing is that using the system in your practice assists in safety for your patients because it cleans debris out of there. It also avoids operator errors that come when you're trying to train people. The nice thing about this system is you place the handpiece, you close the door, you hit the button, and it runs. There's no training that needs to be done. There's no chance of an operator error. In other offices, what you would do is you would pick up a can of lubrication, put a special nozzle on it, put that into the handpiece, spray it in there, and then if you're lucky, the assistant will go into the operatory, connect it to the airline, kind of flush it out there and get it back to the point, of getting all the excess out, and then autoclaving. But oftentimes that doesn't happen. So what's great about the QUATTROcare Plus is simply that once it's run, once you hit the button and you take the handpiece out, it is without a doubt maintained in the proper way that the manufacturer wants, and it's that point then ready for autoclaving. If you need more information on the QUATTROcare Plus, feel free to contact your Cavo representative. They will provide you all the information you need to make an informed decision on the right thing to do for handpieces in your practice. I'm Dr. John Fluke. Thank you for watching.